Hi everyone, today we are on our way to Bruny Island. Jeff turned 50 last night, had a great party, a bit hungover this morning, but we're heading down. How much stuff do you need for 2 nights?
Yeah, exactly.
Actually no, it's not really, it's all Jeff stuff underneath.
I was going to empty the car out.
You guys were light. So an early start this morning, heading from the eastern shore of Hobart down through Kingston, Margate and down to Kettering, which is where you catch the ferry across to Bruny Island. From here we travelled down through the island until we got to Alonnah, which is where we were staying, and we had plans to go further south and have a look at Cloudy Bay and the Cape Bruny Lighthouse. Catching the ferry across to Bruny Island is not a big deal. It cost $32, I think normally $38 in peak season, and that's a return ticket. There's no cost to each person in the car, it's just the car. The ferries run pretty regularly. In fact, on this day it was every half an hour, so half an hour across, half an hour back. That's loading and offloading the vehicles. It always feels a bit odd to be sitting in your car as you're going across the water. We were lucky, middle of winter, nice sunny day, great trip over, really good view. On our way down to Alonnah, we stopped in at the Bruny Island Cheese and Beer Company and grabbed some cheese for later on. After sampling all the different ones, the hardest part was choosing one to take back, and just the one. Also picked up some dukkha and some olive oil. There's quite a bit of accommodation at Bruny. It gets very popular during long weekends and holidays. We picked up an Airbnb at Alonnah. It was a fantastic spot. I'll give the link down below. Our host Maureen was fantastic, and this particular property was very central to all the things that we wanted to visit while we were over on the island. As it was Jeff's 50th, we did allow him to watch the Kangaroos North Melbourne game before we headed out to go to the chocolate. That is the Bruny Island Chocolate Company. If you have a sweet tooth, you would love this place. We took a drive up around the tip of Adventure Bay. We had booked a dinner at the Hotel Bruny. In fact, if you plan on coming over to Bruny Island, book ahead at this hotel for a meal. It gets very, very busy and there's a lot of reserved seating. We had to laugh as we were sitting there. A group were using torches to read the menu. It's very dark in this particular building. At this stage, we were stuffed. We had had Jeff's birthday the night before, so we were ready to all head back, get into bed, and wake up for the next morning. So join us for part 2, which is coming up very soon. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.